Hello guys, good morning. So ang gagawin natin ngayon guys ay mag-repair tayo ng windshield crack. So mabahaba tong crack na to guys. Almost I think maybe like 28 inches yung crack na to. So I have some materials to repair the crack. So trial muna to guys kung effective pa or something like that. So kung paano mangyari. So ang unang gagawin natin guys ay linisan muna natin yung windshield natin. May glass cleaner tayo. Then after that, i-apply na natin yung windshield crack repair natin guys. So ito pala ay in order ko pa to sa supplier, sa mismong supplier, pero I try what can I do. Then nasa ano pa ako guys, nasa stage of